In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to instantly check the number of visitors on your site using Putler. If you care about traffic quality, content performance, or where your users are really spending time, this will give you a level of clarity most analytics tools miss. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Putler account. Once you're in, you'll land on the home dashboard. Now head over to the audience dashboard. Think of this space as the pulse of your website, your traffic, your visitors, your page engagement, everything in one clean view. Scroll a little. Right there, you'll see your top landing pages, the number of users on each, and the average time spent per page. This is your real visitor intelligence. It's not just how many people visited, it's which pages actually grabbed attention. For example, let's say you run a fitness store. Your protein powders page gets 2,000 visitors, but they only stay for 10 seconds. Your home workout plans page gets 800 visitors, but they stay for 2 minutes. Which one is more valuable? Exactly the one where visitors actually spend time. And Putler shows you both instantly. One thing founders love: visitor metrics are not affected by filters in Putler. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our other helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.